Welcome back, everyone. I'm so happy you're here today. Every time you watch one of my videos, you are not just passing time, you are doing something for yourself. You are learning, you are growing, and you are making your life better, step by step. I want you to know, I truly appreciate you, because in this busy world, you could be anywhere right now. You could be watching something else. You could be scrolling through social media. But you are here, with me, ready to learn, ready to listen, and ready to take action. That means you care about your life, and that makes me proud of you. Today, I'm going to share something very simple with you. It doesn't cost money. It doesn't require a degree. It doesn't even take much time. But if you understand it and apply it, it could completely change the way you live. I'm talking about waking up early. Now, maybe you've heard this advice before. Maybe you've even tried it and failed. Or maybe you think it's impossible for you. But trust me, there's a reason why so many successful people swear by it. And today I want to tell you exactly why and how it can change your life. I want to share something that completely changed my life. It's not a magic trick. It's not something you buy from a shop. It's free. It's simple. And it's powerful. I started waking up early. But wait, I know what you might be thinking. Waking up early? That's it? How can that change my life? The truth is, it's not just about the time you open your eyes. It's about the person you become when you do it. It's about creating a version of yourself who is disciplined, calm, and ready for success. A few years ago, my mornings were a mess. I would wake up late, sometimes even after the sun was high in the sky. I rushed to get ready. I skipped breakfast. I didn't have time to think about my day. And then, when something went wrong, I blamed the world. I thought my problem was bad luck. I thought my problem was other people. But actually, my problem was my mornings. One day, I read an article about a man who became very successful by waking up before sunrise. I didn't believe it. But something inside me said, why not try? So, I set my alarm for 5:30 a.m. When it rang, my first thought was, no way. My bed was warm. My eyes were heavy. And I told myself, just 5 more minutes. But 5 minutes became 2 hours. I failed. The next day, I tried again. This time, I forced myself to stand up. I walked to the window. It was dark outside. The streets were empty. There was no noise. I made a cup of tea and just sat quietly. For the first time, I felt the peace of morning. Mornings are special because they belong to you. During the day, the world will take your time. Your phone will ring. People will need you. Your work will pull you in different directions. But early in the morning, the world is still sleeping. It's just you and your thoughts. This is why waking up early is not just about discipline. It's about giving yourself the most precious gift, time for you. Here's what I started doing. 5:30 a.m. Wake up. No snooze button. 5:35 a.m. Drink a glass of water. 5:40 a.m. Sit for a few minutes in silence, thinking about my day. 5:50 a.m. Write down 3 things I'm grateful for. 6 a.m. Read a book for 20 minutes. 6:20 a.m. Go for a short walk. By the time most people were waking up, I had already exercised, read, planned my day, and enjoyed the quiet. At first, nothing big happened. But after a few weeks, my energy improved. My mood was better. I had time for things I always didn't have time for. And the biggest change? I felt in control of my life. When you wake up early, you are not chasing the day, the day is chasing you. There was a young student who wanted to top his class. He studied late at night but felt tired every day. One day, his teacher told him, "Your brain works better in the morning. Try studying early." At first, the student laughed, but he tried it. He started waking up before sunrise and studied when the world was quiet. Within a few months, his grades went up. Within a year, he was the top student in school. Why? Because early mornings gave him focus, energy, and peace. Waking up early is not easy. Your bed will feel warmer. Your pillow will feel softer. Your mind will tell you, sleep more, you deserve it. But success is not about what feels comfortable. It's about what makes you grow. Think about it. If you can win against your lazy mind in the morning, you can win against anything during the day. The science behind it. Research shows that early risers are more productive, more positive, better decision makers. Why? Because your mind is fresh in the morning. Your willpower is stronger. Your focus is sharper. Most people try to wake up early once or twice, then give up. They expect instant results. But waking up early is like planting a seed. You water it every day. You don't see results immediately, but slowly it grows into something strong. How to start? Small steps. Here's how you can start. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier than usual. Wake up 15 minutes earlier than usual. Don't check your phone for the first 30 minutes. Use that time for something important to you. Once you get comfortable, keep increasing your early time until you reach your goal. The sun will rise whether you wake up or not. But your life will only rise when you do. So tomorrow, don't just wake up. Rise up. Give yourself the gift of time, peace, and control.